connected to the unknown resistance. Of course, we are talking about safety. So this is the ground resistance. PE resistance. Of course, this analyzer don't have a battery. Don't have battery. It has a transformer to generate the 25 amperes. Okay?
Aku rasa mungkin aku buat faham.
1, 2, 3 parameters are finished. No time, no time. Don't force this, almost break time. Let's finish what we can finish. Then when you come back after break time is 1 hour, right?
Yes.
Sure. I guess.
We don't say the break time is 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. No, it's not like that. The break time is 1 hour.
1 hour.
Because when you start the break time at 1:15, you must be back here 1 hour later. That is
1 hour.
I agree.
I agree.
I guess. Agree.
I do agree.
I do agree.
okay. Insulation resistance. What are these things? Mains to PE. There is another slide for that.
Jangan tutup. Tak layan ni tutup.
These are points of measurement on the medical equipment. What is mains?
Tadi. Means
Power supply.
Okay, PE is what? This is the grounding of
Oh, okay.
the medical equipment. Okay.
Yes.
What is AP?
Applied part.
Very easy. What is ME?
Non-earth.
So what is mains?
Power supply.
What is specifically on the power supply? Is actually this is a shortcut for AC mains.
AC means
Life wire.
AC mains.
AC.
Okay, this is the medical equipment. Where is mains?
Bottom right.
Huh?
Bottom right. I guess.
These two, live and neutral. And in both of them, that is the meaning of mains here. Live and neutral.
Mains.
So if we are talking about voltage, what is the mains voltage of West Malaysia?
what is
230 volts. Mains voltage, not main voltage. Because I know you cannot say it properly. Mains voltage, you cannot say it properly.
Mains.
With the S.
Talk to each other.
With the S.
Then you cannot say properly. It's okay as long as you understand each other. Don't talk to somebody who is speaking English like me and you say main voltage. I cannot understand it. If you say main voltage, what voltage are you talking about? Because if you say main voltage, it's not like a primary voltage. It's you can be talking about the circuit, which means the main voltage is 12 volts. But if you say mains voltage automatic 210 volts.
Tapi kalau kau sebut main dia
mean tu umum.
power tu tak tadi mana? Daripada transformer dulu, daripada cawang tu.
Mean tu macam utama lah.
So press mega ohm here. Mega ohm. And you will see all of this there, F1 to F5, mains to PE. It's telling you what to connect also. You connect the mains and protective bird. Protective bird is this, mains is this, so I connect the power cord, right? The mistake. That's all you need to connect. Don't connect more. Connect. Mega ohm, mains to PE. That's the only thing you need to connect. Of this instruction here, press test.
Test this.
Tu mega O. Kiri sekali.
Oh,
2.7 mega ohm. Next, AP to PE. Applied part. So that is the connection. Connected parts is already connected, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I connect the applied part. This one has 3 applied parts.
Ini contoh je kan.
No need to follow the correct order for this parameter, isolation distance. For leakage current, follow the correct order. What do you mean by order? Order means if it's right arm, should be right arm from here on the machine. RA. LL should be LL from the machine.
Okay.
This is insulation resistance, don't care about it.
Faham.
Because this analyzer will just connect them all together. So what's the point of following?
For isolation only.
So just select that one, press test. Next, mains to applied part. Already connected, right? Mains, applied part, already connected. Okay, 2.5. Then press more. Then you have this mains to non-earth, mains to non-earth. I'll remove this because it's okay if you don't remove. The analyzer will just ignore it. Non-earth. Now you need the clip for measuring non-earth. So this dummy equipment have a non-earth, properly labeled non-earth. When you're using a real equipment, there is no label non-earth. Find it. Let's test. Okay, 2.7. And the next one, applied part to non-earth.
Banyak dia minta doa.
Connect this again.
Nombor tajuk.
Applied part to non-earth. So press test. See, break time already. 5 minutes. What can we learn in 5 minutes? Oh, you have any questions for the?
Apa yang ditunjuk sekarang ni macam dim je. So kau tutup kau bukan cari. Semua benda tu lah apply part tu apa ni. Jadi kalau kau dapat mesin ECG ke, kalau kau dapat mesin lain-lain ikutlah kan. Kau dapat mesin apa? Tu tak? Apa yang dibuat sekarang demo je kan.
So you're just waiting for 1 o'clock.